Anyway, 61 Chevrolet Corvette convertible roadster, Tuxedo Black and silver over red. This has got some interesting rock star provenance.
Oh, it does?
Yeah. Joey Kramer of Aerosmith owned this car, the drummer for Aerosmith.
Okay.
That's owned this car. Apparently there is some serious documentation of this.
Okay,
or
good.
whatever, names.
Little provenance.
Little provenance. Near flawless restoration. NCRS and Bloomington Gold winner. Numbers matching 283, 270 horse V8. Just very correct example. It's really an amazing car. It ain't cheap,
right?
But you know,
if you want a good restoration.
And you know, of course, the interesting thing about the 61 and 62 Corvettes is that you would get a preview of the tail of the 63s, the Stingrays. And that tail was different and got them going in that direction.
Right.
So you're almost seeing a preview. And of course, you didn't know it at the time. And of course, when the 63s came out, people thought spaceships had landed on them. I mean, they were really revolutionary to people when they first came out. It was pretty interesting. And of course, you know what? The Stingray was pinned by Pete Brock, who did the Cobra Daytona.
Wow.
So he worked for Bill Mitchell, who had a contest over the design of the coupe. And, and Pete Brock won. I guess, I don't know if that's the correct word, but they built it with lightness in mind and an independent rear end, and beyond that, they could do anything they wanted.
You've been listening to the Classic Auto Mall podcast with your host, Stuart Howden.